Time for a LandCruiser update video. Show you where we're at on the restoration. Last week I removed the driver's side of the tailgate from both the from the lower half of the LandCruiser, the bed, and had to drill out all the holes. 50 years worth of inertia keeping those screws intact. The heads were popping off every time I tried to take one off, so I ended up drilling out all the screws. Tonight I'm going to work on the passenger side of the tailgate and maybe start working on the spare tire carrier. Everything else is in a state of being redone. We're just about ready to take the hard top off. I have all the screws unfastened. All along both sides there's screws, and along the back. So I have all those unfastened. I have the attachment points up here at the front of the hardtop where it attaches to the windshield. I have those all removed and it's ready to lift off. I just don't really have anywhere to put it in my garage just yet. So I got some work left to do. I think we're going to put a fiberglass tub on the LandCruiser. This tub has got a lot of rust on it. I think I want to convert the LandCruiser over to an electric motor, and I think the fiberglass tub will help us do that, keep some of the corrosion down. Anyhow, that's kind of where we're at right now with the LandCruiser. It's taken a long time, forever, to make progress, but we're almost at the point to get the top off, and we'll have all the doors off, and the tub won't take too much longer to get it off, so we can get down to the metal frame or chassis. Anyhow, that's today's update. I'm hoping to make some progress over the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching.